putting the Teflon. It's gonna wrap it all the way down.
All the way down?
Go down some more, yeah.
And let's see now.
You have to really be a gymnast to balance on a bath beam.
Right.
Wait a second. Is the water coming through that? Yeah. So you got that on there nice and tight?
I believe so.
Good job.
Her bad. Now is this piece. It skipped, so I didn't say anything.
That's okay.
That's on there too.
This girl got another cap to take her in. Yeah, get that.
Uh-oh.
You know I ain't got your face in here. Is that alright?
Oh. Oh, you're right. It's all right.
This what?
It's all right.
Okay, look it.
And then. And then all you gotta do is hang it on here when you're not in use.
All right, we about to turn this water on. Oh my goodness. Oh, does that mean it's cold?
Party time.
Okay,
Oh,
turn
yeah.
it to hot. Hurry up, turn it to hot.
Okay, let's see.
All the way to hot. Let's see what color it turns.
Let's see. Ooh.
Oh, wait, that means it's warm.
It's nice and nice and warm.
And that means it's hot. Don't put your hand in there. Look at our new light shine. Put up our water head or our shower head. Uh-oh, it's telling you it's hot, so turn that back off.
Turn it cold.
Okay.
Okay.
Good job, daughter.
Thanks, Mother, for your assistance.
You're welcome. Ooh.
I'm gonna get in.
Wait.
Uh-oh.
Wait. How you just going What is you got your stuff on? This girl. Why are you? Yeah, it's cold. It's cold. Look at you.